Good evening, lovely people. Tonight, I want us to do introduction to sewing or fashion designing. So, I know that most of us are already into the sewing or the fashion industry, so we are already familiar with some of the items. But for the sake of our beginners, I would like to start with basic things that we have to be abreast with. So, the first one that I will start with, lest I forget, is my measuring tape. This is called the measuring tape. It comes in different types, but I think normally um, we have the inches side and we also have this side. Yes, that is in the centimeters side. Some people use the centimeters, others use the inches. They are all correct. This is called the measuring tape. So I know by now everybody has a measuring tape, and if you don't have, you have to get it. That is what we use in measurement, or we use in measuring good in sewing. So it is very useful. That's why most tailors, when they are at work, you see that they hang it around their neck, so that for easy access, so that when they want to use it, they will just get it and use it. Good. The next item I want to introduce us to is our thread and our needle. Our thread and needle, I think this is the basic one that everybody should know when it comes to sewing. I will not even go for the sewing machine as the basic thing, no, but I'll go for thread and needle, because there are a lot that the thread and needle can do even in the absence of the sewing machine, you understand. So the thread and needle is our basics, you understand. The needle, we have many sizes, and also the thread, we have different colors and different sizes, but this is for illustration purposes, you understand. In subsequent videos, I will even show how to thread your needle perfectly and use it. So this is our thread and needle, they go hand in hand, very good. And at times the thread leaves this hand needle, it leaves this needle, and it goes together with the sewing machine, good. But wherever there is a thread, there should be a needle, or wherever there is a needle, there should be a thread. Don't forget that one, very good. And the next one I will introduce us to is our office pins, you understand. These are good office pins that we normally use. There are modern ones that have handles here. They are quite longer than this one. So these are office pins. As a beginner, you have to have office pins. It really helps, very good. So we have our office pin here. Because of time, I'll move faster. This is a zip. This is called zip. Good. This is our zip. And for here, I call it, or we call it, invincible zip. Invincible zip because when you close it like this, yeah, when you close it or when you open it, this side will not show, you understand. So it is called the engine of the zip here will not show, so it is called the invisible zip. And it comes in sizes and colors, different sizes and different colors. I have a lot of colors and a lot of sizes here, so depending on the color of your fabric, or depending on the design that you want to use, you want to do, yes, you choose the color of your zip, good. So this is called the zip. Fast forward, let me introduce you to some. Okay, these are called buttons. These are called buttons, you understand, good. They are for fastening of the opening of shirts, you understand. Every shirt must have an opening, so it's either you use your zip, or you use your button, or use another means. So but I think these are the basic ones. It is either a zip or button, or other notions that will help you to open and what close your garment, you understand, good. So these are all types of buttons. There are a lot in the market, there are a lot. It comes in different types and different what colors as well, you understand, good. So as when you are sewing, you go in for the button that you like. But this one, it depends on the color of the fabric or the design that you want to do, you understand? So when you go to the market, buy the one that will fit perfectly for your design. I have this one. It's normally used, or I normally use it for fastening my trousers or my knickers. So I call it knicker buttons, you understand? Look at how it is. This is how it is. So I call it the knicker button. So fast forward, let me go to my scissors. I know by now everybody has or know about scissors. It comes in different sizes and different types, you understand? So you choose the size and the type that will fit perfectly for what you are doing. Good. So if you want to do cutting, you have to get a very sharp and a nice scissors. As a very good tailor, you have to get a very sharp and a nice scissors. What else? Okay, I have my this thing here, chalk, tailor's chalk over here. When you go to schools, they have, some schools have marker, some schools have the white chalk, but when you come to sewing, we have our tailor's chalk. It also comes in different colors, and what it comes in different colors. Have you seen the edge of it? It's very sharp, so that you can mark well without any problem or any mistake. Okay, so lest I forget, this is another type of button. It is called press start. Some people call it press start, some people call it press button, you understand? Others call it Adam and Eve, others call it male and female because one fits into the other, you understand? So others call it male and female, others call it Adam and Eve. It is another type of button. It's called press button or press start. When you want to make your shirt, the button or the opening of your shirt invincible, like you use this one, nobody will know that you used a button over there. It is hidden. That is why it is hidden. It's like the invisible zip when you use it. So as you go on, I will show you how it is being used. I also have my ruler over here. Good. As a very good fashion designer, you have to have your ruler. This is a straight rule. You have other rulers, you have your French curve, other rules that we use, but for tonight I will just introduce you to this straight one. Okay, I want to make this video very short. I have my this is called the waistband. It is used on trousers or knickers for the inside of it. It makes it very nice. Good. Waistband. So as we go on, I'll show you how to use it and how it is being used. This is called hemming stiff. Some people call it hemming stay or gum stay, but I call it the hemming stiff. You know, currently that when you are sewing, it's not every part that you can sew with a thread and a needle. So if you want to fasten a place, or if you want to bond two things together or two fabrics together, you can use the hemming gum or hemming stay without sewing it. Very good. So this is good for people that don't okay, there are some people that they do not even have sewing machine, so you can use it to fold your trousers to your desired length. I'll show you how to use the hemming gum or the hemming stay or the gum stay or the hemming stiff. Very good. So that is that. I think I also have my glue over here. There are some fashion accessories that you cannot sew them. You have to use glue, you understand? Yes. You have to use glue for them. I want to see if I can have, yes, something like this. If you want to attach this thing to your clothes for beauty purpose, it comes in different colors and different sizes. Let's say you want to fasten this one to your clothes or your garments, you have to get a glue so that you use the glue to fasten it. So that is the purpose of the glue. I also have here the glue gun. This is the glue and this is the gun. It serves the same purpose as the glue. So you just plug it, the glue will be heated, then it will come through here, then you use it to fasten or for to attach that accessory or that notion to the garment. Okay, what else? Good. I think you should also have your measuring, your book for measurement. Good. You have your book and and your pencil. Now they've made things to be very simple, so just go to the market, get a measurement book, and it will really help you. It will really help you. I think I've talked about the telescope. Another thing that I want to talk about is, oh, this is very heavy. My iron. You have to get your iron here. Good. Different types of iron. This iron works very well. It works very well. I have different types, and I have that. And almighty fabric. We have our fabric here. Good. This is called the fabric. That is what we use for the sewing. Different types, different colors, different texture. So you go to the market, you buy the one that you want. So I think that is that. I also have my seam ripper here. The seam ripper. We call it the seam ripper. I'll show you how to use it. It is very, very powerful. It's very simple, but a powerful tool over here. So I think that is that. We will close for now. So God bless you. Have a nice day.